Yeah.
Hi, this is Bruce, New America Construction. This is the garage of the home, and same thing here. We're going to remove all of the existing siding. Garage is already insulated.
You want to install starter strip by placing the nails about every 16 inches, centered on spot. Make sure after he checked his level and secure with the window. Those windows come with solid screws.
Like I said, because we were able to level off the house, unlike the
I think this is the way we turned out this window here.
Some type of architectural art like this. See, so much can be done with vinyl siding. You just need the right. Here we are with the installation of vinyl cedar shake siding. As you notice, everything has to be. I'm here with Andy and Mary Beth Thompson in Glen Rock, New Jersey. We just finished installing All Sides Prodigy siding. And guys, what can you say about the installation? How do you like New America Construction service?